There's proven to enhance lecture notes. Sobrang ngarag and all. So, it's almost 6 p.m. and nag-cancel yung supposedly finals namin, like final presentation namin sa isa kong major. We're still not sure when mamove, but ayun, sayang kasi like gusto sana namin matapos na yung presentation na yun. But anyway, I printed out some lecture notes kasi meron akong exam on Monday. Actually, this is the only subject na parang need ko talaga mag-take ng exam because the rest of my subjects puro sila presentation. And since Saturday ngayon and until tomorrow lang ako makakapag-aral. Medyo last minute na aral, pero I think kaya naman. Concepts na lang yung aralin ko, guys. Kasi yun lang naman ako nahihirapan. Yeah. Anyway, let's study first. And gamit ko na yung iMac ngayon. Dito na ako mag-review ng mga notes ko. Tada! Okay, so update guys, it's almost midnight. Nasa chapter 12 pa lang ako. Pero, meron tayong midnight snack. Ito yung favorite namin na noodle sa SNR. If ever makakadan kayo na SNR, try nyo to guys, as in super sarap. Yung brand niya is Vedan ba? Noodle with spicy beef. Buti nga na spicy to guys, para may magpapagising sa akin.
Degrees and sunny. It's just the way I always wanted.
I'm in a rush right now kasi meron akong finance presentation for my major. Ito yung na-move nung Saturday. Yeah. And kakarating ko lang kasi dito sa Cavite. So, parang sobrang ngarag and all. But, ayun. Ongoing na yung meeting namin ngayon. Kailangan ko lang mag-leave sa Zoom kasi nga, bababa ako ng car. But, ayun. Next group na kami. So, wait. Asan yung script ko? Okay. Nahanap ko na. And kailangan naka-white. So, nagsuot na ako nito papunta para alisin ko na lang. Okay. I'm ready. Wish us luck, guys. Kasi pinaghirapan namin to kasi nga finals.
Really ready.
A consideration marketing campaign designed to engage consumers across sectors proven to enhance consumer connection. Now let's move on to our creative executions. It aims to boost brand recall by associating Popeyes.
I'm asking of simple presentation and paper. You're giving me an entire video production. And you guys have done this all throughout the semester. So I thank you for that. Sobrang galing. And then sobrang uniquely Filipino. So a lack of a better word, final ready. So you should be very proud of yourself. I love, umpisa pa lang. But you guys are short of a flat quattro for the entire group, okay?
Finally, we're done presenting. I'm so happy and I'm very proud of my groupmates as well. Like, ilang araw kami nag-film since Popeyes yung brand namin. And that officially marks the end of my sophomore year. Grabe, I can't believe that. Like, I'm halfway done sa college career ko.
Because of you, yeah.
Finally guys, sumating na yung mga in-order ko for my room. Actually, I know na parang hindi na ako masyado nakakapag-update sa progress ng room ko. Ginagawa ko na lang talaga siya if I have like spare time. Since tapos ng finals, I finally have the time to decorate and just plan out my room. So, first one, I got myself itong framed poster na ang size is 18 by 24. Not sure pa ako if i-hang ko to or yung sa floor. I don't know. Pero nakikita ko yung sa Pinterest na parang nakalapag lang sila sa floor. Set up natin to guys mamaya. I also got this package and this is for my bed naman. Yay! So, I got myself itong Emma foam pillow. This is not sponsored, guys, I swear. Natin buksan isa. Ito yung nag-a-adjust talaga sa like head mo. So, oh my gosh, excited na ako matulog mamaya. By the way, guys, I have a code sa Emma. Wala akong like makukuha in return if gagamitin niyo yung code. Share ko lang since sayang din if ever nga bibili kayo sa Emma. IG Nicole T10 or YT Nicole T10. So, if gusto niyo makakuha ng 10% off, like kahit anong item from Emma, input niyo lang yun, guys, pagka-checkout niyo. And yun, may 10% off na kayo, which is so helpful talaga, I swear. And guys, bumili din ako ng mga vintage LPs. I was supposed to go sa Makati kung saan nakakabili talaga ng mga ganito. Pero since hinabol ko to nung house blessing namin para may ma-display ako sa room, sa Facebook Marketplace na lang ako bumili. But yeah, I got 2 lang. Yung artist na napili ko is Dean Martin. I can't wait na magkaroon na ako ng sariling record player and mag-start na ako ng bagong collection. Also guys, I got 2 items from Jo Malone. And this is a candle. And yung scent na to is wood sage and sea salt. Ayan siya, guys. This smells so good. Also got a diffuser naman. Basta, ayan siya, guys. So, this is a diffuser. And then, this is the last one na o-open ko. And we can start decorating my room. This is from Flask. So, I got this one para kunwari gusto ko ng hot matcha or tea, ganyan. Or insulated, ganun. I got one in gray or in birch. And now, we're gonna start decorating my room.
영화 촬영만 끝나고 나면 푹 쉬게 해준다. 은퇴하고 싶다고 했지. 언제 휴가 달랬어?
잠시 후
아시아의 물기의 초고류.
괜찮았지 그럼.
근데 손목이 한 요 정도 되려나?
Currently 12:14 p.m. and we just finished doing my makeup. Meron tayong posting for Coach next week. So excited for that. And actually, isushoot ko today. I'll show you guys the bag. So, ito siya. So, nakalagay lang dito. Dear Nicole, hope this bag will match your style and energy for the rest of the year. We're excited to see the outfits you'll wear with it. With love, Coach team. Ta-da! So this is the Coach Bandit shoulder bag. I got it in this color, guys, para mag-match siya sa mga outfits ko, like kahit sa school or events. So ayun, mag-shoot lang tayo, guys. Actually, dito lang sa house. And then, after na to, may attendant kami debut. So yeah.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.